everyone, welcome to Happy Learning, where learning is fun. Today's topic is direct and indirect speech. So let's understand what is direct speech. Direct speech means or describes when something is being repeated exactly as it was, usually in between a pair of inverted commas. It uses first person reporting. Now, let me explain you this with the help of an example. My mother said, I love your self confidence. Here, the sentence is written in between inverted commas because whatever mother has said is been repeated exactly. Now, let's understand what is indirect speech. Indirect speech will still share the same information, but instead of expressing someone's comments or speech directly, it involves reporting or describing what was said. It uses third person reporting. We need to remember a word that is used while writing a sentence. Let us look at the example of indirect speech. My mother said that she loved my self confidence. In order to gain expertise in this topic, we need to remember certain points or rules. The first one is simple present tense becomes simple past tense. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Simple past tense becomes past perfect. Past continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Past perfect remains past perfect. In case of future tense, will becomes would, will be becomes would be, will have becomes would have. As I mentioned earlier, past perfect remains past perfect. Now let's have a look at it with the help of an example. The ruler said the ceasefire had saved humanity from destruction. The answer to this is the ruler said that the ceasefire had saved humanity from destruction. Let us see changes in words denoting distance and time. Now becomes then, today becomes tomorrow, thus becomes so, tomorrow becomes the next day, tonight becomes that night, this becomes that, just now becomes that just then, ago becomes before, these becomes those, next week becomes the following week, yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before, here becomes there, last night becomes the previous night. Let's have a look at some other rules which are worth remembering. In case of interrogative sentence, we have to transform the interrogative sentence into a simple statement by using appropriate words like asked, inquired, questioned, etc. In case of imperative sentence which expresses order, command, request or advice is transformed into indirect speech by using appropriate reporting verbs such as commanded, requested, advised, ordered, etc. In imperative sentence, in case of sentences beginning with let, we should use reporting verbs proposed or suggest as let is used for the same purpose. Example, the scientist said, let us try out this technique. The answer is, the scientist proposed that they should try out that technique. While reporting exclamation sentence, that is, sentences expressing strong emotions, we have to use appropriate reporting verbs like exclaimed, shouted, etc. Time for revision. So now let us practice this to question. Mitali said, I am preparing for the competition. Now this is a direct speech sentence. We have to write this in indirect speech. The answer will be Mitali said that she was preparing for the competition. Now, this was the example of present continuous tense which becomes past continuous. Now, let's look at the second one. Kshitija said that the team goes for practice daily. Answer is Kshitija said that the team went for practice daily. I hope that you have enjoyed today's session. Thank you all for watching.